Hello children, hope you all are doing well. The next concept what we are going to see is about if statement. So what is the if statement? Whenever you have a condition, we will use if condition. So if condition, then comes statement 1, else it will be statement 2. So how do I write programs based on simple if? So simple if is only these concepts. So the basic concept will be class name, void main, taking the inputs, then if condition, statement 1, else it will be statement 2, and close the bracket. So the programmers will go according to this, right? So what are the first question? I'll have to check whether a particular number is equal to 10. Okay, I am giving the input as number equal to 10, then I have to check whether it's equal to 10. So how do I go about it? So let me just erase wherever I want. Okay, so it will be easy for you to understand. See here, I'm erasing whichever statement I want. So here I'm going to replace all the statements. So I start with class number. So what will be the input here? Input n. I'll have to check what if n is equal to 10. If it's equal to 10, I will print system dot out dot print ln. I have to tell equal. Otherwise, what will I do? System dot out dot print ln. I say it is not. See, I'll just replace few statements so that I get the answer here. Got it? Okay. Shall we go on with the next program? Yes. So what will be the next program? So I'll just erase few things so that we can only substitute this. See here, I'm just erasing whichever is wanted, unwanted here. Okay. So the next program will be, I'll have to check uh, whether a number is divisible by 5. So let me give it as 12. Okay, so I will check whether number is divisible by 5. I have to, if I get the remainder 0, so 5 divided by 12, so 5 twos are 10, but here I get the remainder 0, then I can say 12 is not divisible by 5. But if I give 10, then I divided by 5, 5 twos are 10, I get the remainder. So whenever I get the remainder 0, then it is divisible. Okay, so same thing if I have to write, how do I write it? Void main int n. So what will I write here? If n modulus 5 equal to 0, so here I give divisible, and here I give not divisible. Got it? So this will be the logic, right? And the next one, let us try with the next one. I'm entering a number, so let me keep the number as it is, and I'm finding whether the number is even or odd. So how do I go about it? How do I go about how to find whether a given number is even or odd? So same logic. So I enter a number, I divide the number by 2, and if the number is divisible, then it is even. So here what should I do? I enter the number. So if the number modulus 2 equal to 0, then I say the number is an even number. Otherwise, I say the number is a odd number. So this is the logic. Okay. So this is how I use if else statement. Okay. One more program if I have to see. So what is the program all about? To find the biggest among the two numbers. So I have to enter how many inputs? Two inputs. So what I do here? Let me enter two inputs. So here. So class, I'm just writing it as biggest. So void main int a and int b, two numbers I'm giving. And then I check if a is greater than b, a is big. Otherwise, b is. So this is the logic of if else. So what is the syntax of if statement or if else statement? If condition, then it is statement 1. Statement 1 is nothing but SOP error statement. Else statement 2. So this is the syntax. So if you know the syntax and if you're going to implement with the skeleton, you can learn if else very well. Hope you have understood. Hope please do practice few more programs like this. Thank you.